Let's go for another 3 minutes here. Here's what I want to talk about. It's a Woodpecker one-time tool, and I find it useful every once in a while. I've used it in carpentry a lot. If you're laying out things and you need equal spacings, it's a great tool for that. So just a quick overview. Gives you some tips how to find center, how to duplicate measurements. So anyway, I thought I'd come over here on this set of plans. And let's just say you're drafting an airplane, or you want to draw something out, or you got a piece of wood and you want to start gluing it together. And you need equal distance. So let's come over here and line this up. So I've lined it up here and here. And of course I need to keep going because I need a bigger spacing, so I'm going to come out here a little bit. And I'm going to line it up. So really, ideally, this would be your location. Now, there's nothing wrong with this spacing. It's just all, it's all good, but I double checked it. This gauge is correct, and these ribs are not equal distance. Does it matter? No. But if you ever want to lay something out equal distance, this is a really easy tool to do it. This tool also will find a center. So let's just say you got a block or something and you want to find center of this block. And you just go with 3 of them. One here and one on the edge, and that's your center right here. So that's useful. And if you need something more than what this thing will go, it stretches out pretty good, well then you can just, move it down the road and keep going with it. So I think the code in most places is a 4-inch baluster. Let's see how far this opens up just for sake of the video. Lo and behold, that's 4 inches. So if you're in construction, 4 inches is a code between balusters, so this would lay out something like that.